Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto MK. In this video, I am going to share with you a best solution for unlimited concurrent sessions, getting access to geo-restricted content, and enjoying unrestricted browsing and online freedom. Yes, you heard right. We are going to facilitate market research and web scraping to grow your business all over the global level. This is Pay Proxy, where you can get your introduction with the perspective. You are going to get here rotating I residential proxies, unlimited residential proxies, rotating dictate like dedicated data center proxies, and SOX 5 HTTPS so on. You will also get here everything. If you are new on the channel Crypto MK, subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. On the Pay Proxy, that is the marketing leading like this is also residential IPs. For that, you can get here multiple proxy solution. If you are going to using rotating proxies, then best proxy for web scraping, lower IP blocking rate. There is unlimited residential with per day $61 unlimited. There is also $0.59 per GB. Rotating data center proxies are available. Rotating ISP proxy are available starting from $0.36 per GB. So these are the advantage. You can easily get here fast and stable connection, whereas proxy feature with unlimited concurrency and self highly anonymous. Yes, you are right. Proxy use case is here with social media management, market research, and web scraping. You are also going to expand now your marketplace all over the global level. Here you can also get wireless authentication, user password authentication. This is Pay Proxy. Whereas programming language, this project is going to serve the people all over the global level with millions of IPs. You can get here history of Pay Proxy, unlimited residential company founded in 2016. 2022 they have introduced the new product and so on as 5 proxy, unlimited residential proxy, reseller system, data center, and py wallet in 2023 has been created, and so on. You can get some frequently asked questions. If you want to need any help, you can also ask anytime. Their customer service support on the official email are also available, as well as on the social media links too. Now, how you are going to join? First of all, you need to create an account. So here you have to put your email address, you have to put your password of 6 to 8 digit. Then you can also get referral code from my video description. You can link here. After the accept terms and condition, you can click on this sign up, or you can also fast login with Google. There is also next sign up process here. Now, after login successfully, you can also go for your account. There you can also check how first of all you need to get the IPs. So for the first, you need to come to the here is also invoice to, or you can also check the proxies number. There is residential proxy. If you need here, you can also get, there is also plans. You have to click on it, and now you can also check this is starting from $2.97 per GB. For 30 days, it will be valid pay as you go unlimited IP amount. And there you can also get, this is also for personal, but if you need here enterprise, that is also available with the in TB. You are going to get residential in TB amount, and you can also customize too at the end. But if as I have already here, you can also check some other categories in which you can also check the prices according to the your suitable meet what is your need for your business. You can even check out a complete information about their plans, and you can even customize with the country and their number of IPs, as customization is also available with 10% off. If you go for a dedicated data center, there is also like if you need here USA or Canada, $1.98 per IP, and you can also contact their team too. As you can also get SOX 5 proxies are also available with the mobile proxies that you can even use for your mobile proxy. Now, as I have already in my account as 0.69 residential proxy, that is also price. But if you want to know what is in our account, and there is also packed information remaining 2 GB I have. Now how we will use it, for that we can click on this start using. There, first of all, using this is also no data create the user. We have to create new user, we have to add the user. For that we can also put here unique username. There even you can also check how much GB you are going to use your traffic limit. You can also put the account status remarks and then you have to click on it. And next user has been created here. You can also check that. And now we have to come again to use it. And now we can also click on the start using. As we have created our user, we have select here. And next you can even also select the global, like what is the server. If I am going to choosing in North America, then there will be also IPs are also going to given as command. There is like random IPs or sticky IPs. We can also choose here. There is also IP duration I need here like 60 minutes. Change manually, you can also open it. Next you can also give the host port with username and password. Now we have to give here the number, like I need 10 IPs. For that you can also check here, you can even copy it and then you can also use that. In this way, you can also generate what the IP you need on the pay proxy. That is very simple option. You can even check there is user list. We have one user, and there is also using configuration as I have told you that what you need the number. You can even get there is also now working. Yes, there is also endpoint. You can also get the usage record will be shown here, and next you can also get your wallet information where total recharge your number of amount that you're going to use here will be shown, as well as there is also referral link to when you will buy their token, buy their basically plans, then you will also get referral code and that is also going to given you. So I hope you have understand about the statistics, how does this work with referral links details, and your record will be shown here. I hope you have cleared, as well as there is also reseller programs too for the new user who want to get entry into the platform. If you need to know more details as for the authentication, you can also go for authentication to secure it as well. See you next video. Till then, if you have any question or query, you can ask in a comment box.